Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Welcome to our ISKCON official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam, the 9th canto, in which there is a description of Parsuram, another incarnation of the Lord, Parsuram. We have described in 1st canto, 3rd chapter, 22 incarnations, out of whom this Parsuram is also one of the incarnations. So, the history of Gadhi in the dynasty of Oila. Ila, that we have described, that is Sudimna, he became a woman and then became man, and this way, Ila, he first was a girl, Ila. From her came this Purava, Oila. This dynasty of Oila is being described. Descendants of Purava, marriage of Richika and Satyavati, described in 1 to 7 verses. From the womb of Urvasi came 6 sons, named Ayu, Sutayu, Satayu, Raya, Jaya, and Vijaya. The son of Sutayu was Vasuman. The son of Sutayu was Sutanjaya. The son of Raya was Ika. The son of Jaya was Amrita, and the son of Vijaya was Bhima. Bhima's son was named Kanchana. The son of Kanchana was Hotraka, and the son of Hotraka was Janhu, who was celebrated for having drunk all the water of the Ganges in one ship. That's why Ganga is known as Janhavi. The descendants of Janhu, one after another, were Puru, Balaka, Ajaka, and Kusa. The sons of Kusa were Kushambhu, Tanaya, Basu, and Kusanava. From Kusambhu came Gadhi, who had a daughter named Satyavati. This King Gadhi had a daughter named Satyavati, whom a Brahmana says, named Richika, requested from the king to be his wife. King Gadhi, however, regarded Richika as an unfit husband for his daughter, and therefore he told the Brahmana, "My dear sir, I belong to the dynasty of Kusa. Because we are aristocratic Kshatriyas, you have to give some dowry for my daughter." For my daughter, dowry. Therefore, bring out at least 1,000 horses, each as brilliant as moonshine, and each having one black ear, whether right or left. Where to find such horses? So in verse 7 it is stated, when King Adi made this demand, the great sage Richika could understand the king's mind. Therefore he went to the demigod Varuna and brought from him the 1,000 horses that Gadi had demanded. After delivering these horses, the sage married the king's beautiful daughter. So Satyavati married Richika Muni. After the Muni contributed a substantial dowry, and Richika prepared a charu for a son. So in verse stated that Gadhi wanted a child, and this also Satyavati also needed a child. So Richika prepared charu for both of them, for his wife and mother-in-law. Meanwhile, because Satyavati's mother thought that the oblation prepared for her daughter, Richika's wife, must be better, she asked her daughter for that oblation. Satyavati therefore gave her one oblation to her mother and ate her mother's oblation herself. So, when the great sage Richika returned home after bathing and understood what had happened in his absence, he said to his wife, Satyavati, you have done a great wrong. Your son will be a fierce Kshatriya, able to punish everyone, and your brother will be a learned scholar in spiritual science. Satyavati, however, pacified Richika Muni with peaceful words and requested that her son not be like a fierce Kshatriya. Richika Muni replied then your grandson will be of a Kshatriya spirit. The Jamadagni was born as the son of Satyavati. And this Parsuram is the son of Jamadagni. So in this lunar dynasty, or in which the Lord will come finally, in that dynasty, Sukadeva Goswami said, the best of the Kshatriyas, Kartaviryarjuna, the king of the highest, received 1,000 alms by worshipping Dattatreya, the plenary expansion of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana. He also became undefeatable by enemies and received unobstructed sensory power, beauty, influence, strength, fame, and the mystic power by which to achieve all the perfections of yoga, such as anima, lagima, etc. Thus, having become fully opulent, he roamed all over the universe without opposition, just like the wind. So once while enjoying in the water of the river Narmada, the prophet of Kartaviryarjuna, surrounded by beautiful women and garlanded with a garland of victory, stopped the flow of the water with the Itishabs, constructed a dam, just like Hirakud dam. Because Kartaviryarjuna made the water flow in the opposite direction. The camp of the Ravana, which was set up on the bank of the Narmada near the city of Mahismati, was inundated. This was unbearable to the 10-headed Ravana. So this is the news of Treta Yuga. 10-headed Ravana was there. Who considered himself a great hero and could not tolerate Kartaviryarjuna's power. Ravana. Lord Rama fought with him. Sorry. In verse 22 it is said, when Ravana attempted to insult Kartaviryarjuna in the presence of the women and thus offended him, Kartaviryarjuna easily arrested Ravana and put him in custody in the city of Mahismati, just as one captures a monkey and then released him neglectfully. Ravana's father Visrava requested, so he released him. And the king stole Jamadagni's desire cow, Parsuram, who is ascertained by learned experts to be a Shaktavyas incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, killed Kartaviryarjuna. So, later he annihilated the Kshatriya dynasty 21 times. After Parsuram killed Kartaviryarjuna, Jamadagni told him that killing a king is sinful and that as a Brahmana he should have tolerated the offense. So, 37 to 41 describes Jamadagni instructs on forgiveness. In verse 39 he says, Vayam hi brahmanas tata khamaya, my dear son, we are all brahmanas and have become worshipable for the people in general because of our quality of forgiveness. It is because of this quality that Lord Brahma, the supreme spiritual master of this universe, has achieved his post. Brahma is a post. So, Siddha Swami in his purport says, Arhantam means Pujyatam. We became worshipable because of our qualities of forgiveness. So he says, Khamya Roteta Lakshmi, Brahmi Sauri Jatha Prabha, Khaminam Asu Bhagavan, Tusyate Haririshwara. The duty of the Brahmana is to culture the quality of forgiveness, which is illuminating like the sun. The Supreme Personality of Godhead Hari is pleased with those who are forgiving. In the purport of Prabhupada Maharaj says, Chanakya Pandit says that the cuckoo bird, although very black, is beautiful because of its sweet voice. Similarly, a woman becomes beautiful by her chastity and faithfulness to her husband, and an ugly person becomes beautiful when he becomes a learned scholar. Ugly person, but becomes beautiful because of scholarly. And in the same way, Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras become beautiful by their qualities. So therefore, Jamadagni advised Parsuram to atone for his sin by traveling to various holy places. Thank you very much for listening to this lecture, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like our channel and get the blessings of the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,